Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, 20 July 2021.
Hello everyone, nice to see you all again. Why is this so high? I think I was shifting that thing just now. So today is Tuesday, 20th of July. And we can see that the price is getting pretty exciting in a sense. you see on my board here. So BNB is 281, BTC is 30938, and then ETH is 1008 plus. At this time, 0818 GMT plus 8, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Right.
And
so
we have the two Bitcoin charts that show how confused the crypto trader feel right now. So I hear Mr. Nicholas share to us about his trading experiment.
Of course. Also, my friend's trading experience. Of course, when this title came out, I feel that hey, this is what exactly quite a number of people are thinking. They say, I thought the price go down, it's supposed to go up, that kind of thing. Yeah. So basically, a friend of mine, she bought at this price. So then, of course, she's hoping that the price go up, right? So she prayed for the price to come down first because she missed the first one, and then the price came down. She bought it, and then the price supposed to go up again, but the price didn't go up. The price came down. So she, what? I think I prayed too hard, Yeah, but the kind of price movement we have now is what this title basically is telling us. Quite a number of crypto traders are feeling a little bit confused, like why? So they have this big WHY in their head, thinking why the price is like how it is right now. So let's look at this article and see what it actually is telling us.
Yeah. Okay. Later, I will show to our audience about the charts. About there are two charts in the Bitcoins. Of course, there's the first chart about investor expect the Bitcoin at the 20K by the end of years. Yeah. And here's the chart of the BTC. You can see.
Right. Wow, this is really good chart. You can see different colors, different things there.
1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. From skill is about this Bitcoin option target, because people they want to use the. Let me zoom in. Yeah. This okay. Because this 25 days skill. Let me open this. Yeah. This one is about the charts, because this chart show to audience about the Bitcoin option when buying a Bitcoin option contract. Yeah. And this show the trader they betting on the Bitcoin when the price will hit at a certain price in the that. Yeah, that's why some of the trader they bet on the Bitcoin around 20K, around 22K. This one is based on the bridge exchange. And I also can have look from here about the author book. But when I see in the book, it's a little bit low amount. It means that they receive they use 0.0755 BTC to bet to trade at the price 22,000 and put 500x. It means similar with 500 BTC. Yeah. This this betting is look like the gambling, and they want to bet the price of Bitcoin at this price at this years. That means 23rd December 22,000. But if they lose, they just lose only 0.0755. Yeah, this kind of action is
these
one
kind of options.
Yeah, it's the optional. Yeah, and someone they want to dump the price. Yeah, and they just do like that to keep buying the cheap the cheap price. Yeah, this this chart is make the trader feel confusing, and in this twist a lot of people they show a lot of action like that. Oh, trying, yeah, like that. Yeah, this one, yeah. And now we go to another chart. It's a spot trading data give hope to a long-term bulls. Yeah, of course, there's a hope in the long-term bulls. Like this is Bitcoin price on the APPX. Yeah, this is with the current price around 30,000 plus. Yeah, and later we will see in the charts to see how because in the more technical term with one indicator I in the form the chart so doesn't tell us the market is bullish or bearish, but in the long term is strong. Is it strong or not? Yeah, let's see. And later we will have a look in the charts, and we will discuss about the news. Of course, this beginning of the week, there's not so many of the news. Yeah. So now we will have a look from some of the chart on the crypto one. This chart is about the stablecoin supply ratio. What this mean? It means is that if the number increase, mean the increase the selling pressure. Yeah, this chart. The stablecoin send to is supply of the stablecoin now, and now the supply of the stablecoin is low, and the price of crypto low. Yeah. Next one I show you the charts of the BTC exchange reserve. It means this chart is show the amount of the BTC in the exchange. If the BTC in the exchange higher, it means that the people they want to sell, they want to sell the crypto. It show the reserve we can see here. At this moment, we see all the reserve is go parallel. That means the seller they don't want to buy crypto or sell crypto. Yeah, that's why it's make the markets go into the it's look like the cool. It's a cool moment.
It's like kind of like people are when the price go parallel or sideways, people or other investors they are holding on to see what's going to happen next, right?
Yeah, that's this two chart, and later I show you the chart on the trading view, and we also discuss about something about the trading views. Also share to our audience about the goddess, the golden cross or something. Because because when I try to see the golden cross, it's happening at this moment when the price grow from 23 to 22,000 until at this moment around 30,000 with the Bitcoin. As I show you the charts here. If you want the one, I don't want to share a lot of indicators. It may make us get confused too, because we receive a lot of confusing news this day. A lot of Here. With the MA, I usually use 15 to 30, 15 day to 30 day to see how the cross. We see with the 15 to 30 day with the 1 day chart, the golden loss. This loss here is so the price go down. You can see it.
Actually, when you look at this, the two lines are very close to each other. The long-term and short-term average, they are so close to each other. They are undecided where they want to go.
These two lines go parallel. It cannot meet. It cannot cut each other. So we also.
So it become very uncertain.
Uncertain.
The movement of the price become very uncertain.
We let's see to the next one. Let me. If I change to the 4 hour, the 4 hour is also similar like this, but we can see within the 4 hour we see the price have the little bit recover. We see here the green candle is go back because
so you look at the red line, the line at the bottom. So there's just so much it can go down. After that, it need to bounce back up, right?
Yeah, that's right. We see the price around 30,400 and now it's 30 with the candle here. The little bit is the maximum 31,000 above 31,000. So if the price go in a sideways, the price could be around like this in the long, maybe in the next 8 weeks. Let's see next 8 weeks because I remember every 19th of since May the price of crypto drop. Here's 19, we see 19 July the price drop, and 19 of June we see the June 19, 20, 14, 19 here the price also drop and it's with the dead loss here 18, 19 of June, and especially the 19th of May. 19th of May we see the 19th of May is a hard drop. We should remember last time this year. That's why it's very get a lot of investors feel get confusing if the people they want to trade in the short term. In the long term, I hope it's the price will have the recover back. Because based on some of the indicator with the stablecoin supply, here's the exchange reserve, the current, and I also have a look on the Bitcoin list to see how's the wave movement. I see the big list, the big amounts of the Bitcoins now, they still don't have the selling amount. This means that the waves still not, they don't want to sell the crypto. But we see in the news today is about the most Bitcoin right now is being sold as a loss. Some of the trader, the weekend, they sell their Bitcoin as loss, but the long-term holders are sitting on their unrealized gain. That's you can see. Because long-term holder has 75% of circulation supply of bullish side. This means that 75% of circulation supply is a long-term holder. with a shorter holder, they only can hold 25%. Yeah, this is a good signal for the price in the long term. Yeah, we see the Bitcoin network currently setting 5.3 billion a day compared with the 15.5 billion in the daily volume. This means less of people do trading. Yeah. That's why it's make confusing a lot, because the price actually now the price is manipulated, and the people have crypto Bitcoin, they don't want to sell it.
Yeah, they just keep it. Right?
Yeah. And I also can see in one of the wallet, this wallet, just now this Bitcoin this here, Bitcoin this, because I see one of the wallet is a well wallet. They only sell a little bit amount, and I support that maybe they just sell for the daily using. So we can
selling so that they can offload a little bit for some like what you say, some liquidity for the cash that they need at the current moment, but they are not selling a lot. They are just holding up in majority of it.
This is a wallet that we usually have a look on. There's no activity. Since July 16. He had just bought more than 100 BTC. And we see here this wallet of one of the whale. I see he has sell out on the July 4th, just a little bit amount, 0.61, because this account holds 94,000 BTC since 2019.
Maybe that's for him to buy some wine and beers to entertain friends.
From 2019, but there's no activity so far. At this moment, the balance, the price of this one is triple. It's got 3 billion, and he just sell out just a few thousand, maybe for daily using. Yeah. That's the one we want to say how activity of the whale so far with this confusing market. Yeah. And come back to the news, to some of the news highlight. We see not much news is about some of the NFT, Ethereum race. Elon Musk talked with Jack Dorsey at the Big World Conference. The T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, and then we can see the Bitcoin senator. They don't want to use the digital yuan at the Beijing Winter Olympic. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Let's
they ban US athletes from using Chinese digital yuan. Wow.
Because this a little bit. Yeah. Like
that is what Winter Olympics, right?
Winter Olympic. Yeah. I will share to you because U.S. lawmaker don't want Olympic athlete to use digital yuan. Yeah.
They just hate China so much.
Yeah. That's right. That's why they have some of this the political action, because if one country have the CBDC, the other they also don't like. Yeah.
Actually, if you look at this, it is basically just US side stirring some news and telling people, wow, we are this, we are that against Chinese government and all this. But at the end of the day, the Olympics happens in China, not in US.
Yeah.
So when they go over, they will have to definitely have to use some of the digital yuan over there.
Yeah.
So it's I don't think they can control this part.
Yeah.
But they can say as much as they want now. Now it's only what 2021 July.
Yeah.
2021 July. So they can say as much things they want, but when it comes to the real event, you don't know what will happen then. Maybe the entire team of the US people maybe, oh, we are here, we have to use the digital yuan, otherwise who is going to feed us?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. And now we will have a look on the other article, the other news, based on this market so confusing today. And I also find some of the articles about on the Coindex.
Yeah.
They also share to us some of the charts about the Bitcoin market parallel with the BTC 2018, the 2021. You can see here the photo
This
here.
looks interesting.
Yeah, it's a little bit similar with 2018 and 2021 when in the downtrend. Currently, we are in the downtrend. The price is slightly go down. Yeah.
So what happens after this 2018? Oh, so the entire 2018 up to this is 2019, right?
Yeah, this
It's from 2018. Okay. So the ending point is 2019. So the entire 2018 is a downtrend. Up to November. So after that downtrend, it went down even further. So what happened in 2019? I think 2019 was the time where it's slowly picking up again.
Yeah.
I guess so. Or rather, 2019 was a year where it's just before COVID, I know.
Before COVID, yeah, that's
So it
right.
was like uh, um, average moving left or sideways, perhaps.
Yeah, that's right. And I see that with the when the price go down in the crypto market, the traditional market also the same way. Yeah, also the same way. And
Yeah.
just now we have see similar chart like this. Yeah, this for skill. Yeah, this is a chart. Oh, I need to log in. Let me share. Yeah. There's a BTC ATM implied volatility. Yeah, the volume of the BTC implied 1 month. This chart is the 1 month maximum. Yeah, we see the volatility is go up. Actually, I get confusing in the charts too. Yeah, it's just now we share about the optional of the charts when the people they I think I will spend more time about this kind of charts. Okay, so we this article is also similar with our discussion about the two scenario and make people get confusing. Yeah, and and then and then now most of the news from today is about yeah about the analysts about the charts. Oh, recently we have a news about the generation. We must act quickly on stablecoin regulation. Yeah, this news is about some of the people, some of the lawmaker in US. They want to regulate the stablecoin. Yeah, like
This is the woman who loves to print dollars.
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because a lot of trader they may hear a lot of they may hear in the USDT, and then now now the lawmaker they want to regulate in the stablecoin USDT, USDC, BUSD, and the other. Yeah, because with the stablecoin, it can manage the crypto crypto price, because the stablecoin can print out or burn. Yeah, it's similar with the Fed. They can print more dollar, or they can burn dollar. But of course, the burn dollar from Fed is impossible. They just want to print more dollar. But we should believe in the growth movement we stay, because mostly some government they want to manage the economy, the total economy, so they will have some action to control the money flow, not print a lot, also not tie the money. Yeah, so that the system, the finance system can run well. Yeah, because like nowadays, but we see the financial crisis is also happening there.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's why
it's pretty bad. I think it's pretty bad shape. A lot of financial analysts, economists, they are expecting very bad things, very negative things that in terms of the American economy, and largely they are talking about hyperinflation, fall in the economy, and all this. Yeah, so these are the things that are happening over there. Of course, with all this they are happening, they are of course trying their best to try to make the economy stay afloat by introducing various regulations in terms of not just the conventional market, financial market or whatever, but also as what we have been saying, they are trying to introduce a lot of regulations against or on cryptocurrency. Yeah, so that is perhaps how the first thing that comes to their mind is that we must make US dollar stay afloat. We can't let crypto overtake the dollar so soon. Yeah. So of course, at the same time, they are exploring the development of central bank digital currency. Since they see China is doing that, so they should do that very soon too.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Mr. Nicholas, and I think it's time for us to end the live stream.
I didn't notice the time.
Yeah, because this is and now let me wrap up some of the articles, some of the discussion about us in this early morning. And from beginning I shared to our audience about the two Bitcoin charts show how confused the trader feel right now. The first one is about some investors expect the Bitcoin at the 20K by the end of years. And we also discuss, we have a look on some of the digital amount and some of the optional selling. And the chart 2 is a long term, gives hope to long-term boost. With the long-term boost, we still have hope when the price will be bouncing back and in the uptrends, and currently it's in the downtrends. And as we share to our audience in the charts on the trading views we can expect. Yeah, with the 4 hours it's bouncing back here, you all can see here. And after that we share some article about the crypto news about today's. This is about this crypto news. Yeah, about most Bitcoin right now be sold at a loss, and Bitcoin senator and lawmakers in US, they don't want the CBDC at the Beijing Winter Olympics. But yeah, this is some of the political games. Yeah, of course, it's yeah. We see nowadays a lot of first news, and these that's been keep calm and see and dissect the news. Like that's what is the first news, what is the right news for you to stick in. Of course, Bitcoin in the long term is one of the safe haven that people can hold. It look like that's the asset for you to be in and then to invest in. But the most important is when to jump in, when to jump out the market. And of course, there's a lot of people jump out the markets based on the fear, hidden fear and indicator.
Fear and greed indicator, right?
Yeah, indicator and the this is index. This chart is this indicator not only from the traditional market, it's also in the crypto market. You also can see from the traditional market a lot of people.
Yeah, anything that has to do with investment and anything that got to do with money, digital, whether digital or fiat, as long as it's investment.
Yeah.
Exchange trading, you can look at this FGI.
Yeah, FGI, yeah, because that's one is let the people to know when the people in uptrend or downtrend. This is in the downtrend, and people will fear of the market, and they make the price, the crypto go in the cool. It's in the cool behaviors. Yeah. And I think it's time for us to say goodbye to our audience. Have a nice week. Yeah, see you in the next live stream.
Okay, thank you all for tuning in to us. Do trade safely. See you all very soon.